All right, guys. So by now you have maybe had a chance to mess around and look at our virtual classroom. So I just wanted to go over a few things. So the first thing is that you automatically see friends posters. Okay, so we have one, two, three, four, five over here, and then five on the other side as well. So each poster is going to represent a word wall. And the word walls are information for you on our specific unit and vocabulary terms. Okay, so far we have down Unit 1 and Unit 2 and financial literacy. Okay, so if you were to click on those posters, if you click on any of the other posters, they're not linked yet. I will link them as we go throughout the year. Okay. So the ones that are linked again are 1 and 2 and financial literacy. So if you click on the posters, which I'm going to do now, it's going to take you to a new Google Slides. And this is where you're going to have your words. So the first screen that you're going to see is you're going to see all the terms that are important or possibly new to you. And what you want to do is if you're not sure, like if I'm here and I'm like, oh, what is a deposit or withdrawal? I will click on that actual frame and you'll see this pop up and it'll tell me slide 5. Now you can go and click on slide 5, or if you click here, it'll actually take you directly to slide 5. And on slide 5, you will have a definition of each of the terms. And if you click on the highlighted portion, it will take you to the translated term and definition. Okay, so we're going to go back to our digital classroom. And so that has to do with the posters. Now, the next thing is our anchor charts and graphic organizers. If you click here over here to my right, it's going to take you to a Padlet. And the Padlet is just a place where I'm going to be placing some anchor charts or graphic organizers that are going to help you when working. And we set it up to where it's for each unit. So notice how all of these units are blank. We will add some stuff for financial literacy. And so that way you know exactly, okay, this is the unit we're working on. And so we're going to fill this up as we go. I also added on here the YouTube page, which has all of these videos that you guys have seen so far. There are a few other videos from last year on there as well. And they're just tutorials on how to solve certain types of problems, okay? And I've also added your math star chart, so you can click on that and have your reference chart handy if you're working on problems on your own. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And then finally over here to the left-hand side of Miss Lewis, some of you will get to have her in our classroom and some of you will not, okay? These are our compositions, and there's a new composition for every 9-week period. Now, we have 4 9-week periods, but the last 9-week period is usually used as a review before start. So if you click on the composition notebook, then it'll take you to that ISN. And it will be my ISN. So this is a very good resource if you were absent and you missed the notes for that particular day. You could come and click on this and you can catch up on the notes, okay? And it's super easy because all you have to do is copy the page or the slide, and then paste it into your notebook, okay? All right. And then this last page here is for you. These are the 6 websites that we are going to be mostly using in our classroom, and they are all linked. So if you click on the word or the logo, then it'll take you directly to the website. I hope that this video helps you to better understand our virtual classroom and